moving on to next breaking coming in from Telangana, where hoardings have been put up by the BJP leader Tajinder Bagga. It can be seen at several places in the national capital with the slogan, Rahul Gandhi ji, please stop cutting down our jungles in Telangana. So this is regarding the Kancha Gachibowli thing, and this is related to also the clearance of green cover in the forest, an area which is adjacent to Hyderabad University. Remember, on April 3rd, the Supreme Court ordered no further felling of trees in 400 acres of forest land in Kancha Gachibowli area in Telangana. So this is the breaking we are getting in for you. After all this scenario, after all this fiasco, the BJP has now come down heavily on the Congress government. They have even gone on to put up their own campaign where Tajinder Bagga is seen at several places in the national capital, putting several posters over there. CNN News 18's Anshul Singh joins me on the broadcast. Anshul, what more context could you bring us in the story? Of course, we know that BJP is coming down heavily on this.
Well, yes, this is a massive controversy that is brewing all across the country. Remember, yesterday itself, the Supreme Court had gone ahead and put a temporary stay on this entire issue and has asked for a detailed report from the Telangana High Court and from the Telangana government as to why is such a massive decision being taken, because the environmental impact is something that should be considered before such a massive operation that has been launched by the Andhra Pradesh government at this point in time. So definitely there is a lot of controversy that is already being over here. Tajinder Pal Singh Bagga, who is a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party out here in the national capital, has put out a few posters over here in Delhi, basically asking Rahul Gandhi, trying to politicize this entire matter. But yes, more than politics, this is a matter of environment, and this is something that is being looked into by the Supreme Court as well now. Plus, it is being talked about by the people trying to create the awareness that is required at this point in time. Remember, there was another massive controversy when the Maharashtra government actually wanted to clear a part of the RF forest land in Mumbai, and that was met with a lot of opposition. But this time around, more than 400 acres of forest land will be cleared is the order that has been given by the government. And even after that, the kind of opposition that should have come to the fore, that did not come to the fore. Now, finally, after the Supreme Court also had asked for a report, and after the videos that had come to the fore from ground zero, definitely there is a larger conversation that has started on this entire issue now.
Right. Thank you so much, Anshul, for bringing us those inputs. Moving on.